Now, you have to understand this subtle point that unless you discipline yourself, the discipline for learning the science is not the discipline that you already had. You had discipline in the colleges and universities to study things in the external world, to verify things in the external world. This discipline is entirely different. Here, you will have to take a path without movement. In the external world, you move. But when you want to go to the deeper levels of your being, there you don't move. So discipline entirely changes. Here the word anusasana, the discipline that you have to follow, you have not yet followed it. That is why you find difficulty, because it's completely a new undertaking, new task. It's not something that religions talk about, commandments. It's commitment. When you first decide, first find the necessity, find yourself. Yes, I want to know myself. There is something I am missing, something I could not receive from my orthodox, from my church, from my religion, from my priest. And yet your mind questions, so that question means you still want to know something. You are not fully satisfied. How your mind can be calm? Not possible. So Patanjali offers something to such seekers. And first thing he says, you have to discipline yourself. Now, then, therefore, O inspirer, O aspirant, you have to discipline yourself. If you don't have a zeal, a vigor, determination to discipline yourself, forget it. You cannot follow the path. You see. Learning in the external world, learning outside, has nothing. I tell you, when I used to study in Shantiniketan, few books wouldn't satisfy me. So I was asked by my professors not to put question in the class, because I used to study related books and pose questions, and tough questions for them. Please don't ask questions in public. You can privately ask the questions. First of all, you should learn something about the subject. Second, you should find that you really feel like knowing something you want to know. Are you prepared for the journey from gross to subtlest aspect of your being? Are you competent enough to discipline yourself on all levels, physically and mentally both?